The thrift guys came through for your boy. The heavens opened up and they was like, ah. If it's your first time here, Gully Jacq, welcome to the channel. I need you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, your grandma, your mom, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, everybody. Share it with everybody. I'm coming here with a thrift haul video. We just went to the thrift over the past couple days and got some crazy items that I want to share with you all. So I'm not sharing these in no particular order, and I'm gonna leave the best for the last. So this pickup, y'all thinking y'all see it, but y'all ain't seen the best of it yet. So stick around till the end of the video to see the crazy surprise that I got for y'all with this shirt. We got a couple bags. Got this luggage bag from Sydney to Go. Sydney Cove. So I think he should look this up on eBay, and these bags were going for like $50 to $100. It's a vintage luggage bag right here. Got the straps right there. And got the thing that go around like that. She wanted that for personal use for whenever we travel. So this is not on our Depop yet, but it might be in the future. So just keep an eye out for that. Next up, I'm 99.9% sure that this is a fake Prada bag right here. Help me below in the comments and let me know, because I really just don't know. The research that I did do said like the Prada stitching overlaps a certain way. I've never owned anything Prada, so I'm not about to sit here and cap to y'all like I have. I'm not an expert in that field. So if you know anything about Prada, let me know. There's this bag right here, look legit. On the inside, that's another thing as well. A lot of the bags on the inside had Prada, like right here or something. A lot of luxury bags, but this don't have no kind of designer tag or anything like that on the inside of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and say Fugazi. And got a pocket right there, but bootleg is in right now. Somebody might purchase it, as long as we're honest and let them know that it's probably a bootleg. Somebody might still purchase it for $20, $30 just to have that status symbol. Next up, got this vintage, might use this for a backdrop here soon. This vintage original Transformers, copyrighted 1984 from the first year it came out. Transformers, this right here is just crazy. It's a bed sheet, but easily can be repurposed. You might see me hang it up on the wall, and we use it as a backdrop in a few of our photo shoots. Who knows? There's that. Like I said, your boy was getting blessed. Got this brand new AJ Green. I think that's whose jersey this is. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not a huge NFL expert as well. I don't even watch the NFL. If you know, you know. This is a brand new jersey. Still got the tag on it right there. And this is an on-field jersey, size 52. Got the stitching letters. This is one of those jerseys that the player could actually put on and wear. Got this for brand new for, I think it was, she rung it up as a t-shirt instead of like a dress shirt, which is what they usually price jerseys at. So this was actually $275 after tax, brand new for that jersey right there. Got this 2011 WWE Authentic Wear Brock Lesnar shirt with the graphic right there on the front, nothing on the back. Got this Alcatraz. You going to jail now? Not even jail, you going to the pen, the big dog house. Nah, but for real, I picked this up because I really just like the print on it, and we got a lot. Our customer base is probably, I would say, 40% California, so I know this shirt's easily gonna go for about $20 to $25 on our Depop, just from somebody wanting that image that's near that area. That's that. I'll probably wear that a couple times before it actually gets up to our Depop. That's usually what I do with a lot of this stuff. I'll wear it once or twice out to like kind of promote it, market it, let people see what I'm wearing, then wash it and post it up on Depop. So next up, we got this crazy Dirt Lake model, $100,000 to win. Eldora Speedway, Roseburg, Ohio. Then I've got another Scott Bloomquist shirt. I didn't realize how good this guy was until I saw this shirt right here. But it's got all the winners from 1994 to 2016. And you got Scott Bloomquist in 1995, 2002, 2004, 2006, 2008, and 2013. So if you're wondering why that Scott Bloomquist shirt that's on our Depop is listed for $50, not only for the design on it, but that man's a legend in this racing The next two things we got crazy Winnie the Pooh, straight 90s vibe, ugly Christmas sweater vibes, all of that right here with this sweater. Got a Pooh tag on it right there, made in USA, size medium. Then you got Pooh right here, just all cheerful, playful. Then he's got the hat and the scarf on his neck, ready to go dipping off in some snow. That's a crazy 90s piece right there. Definitely a collector's item for somebody who's into Winnie the Pooh. Pooh's been going kind of well. We haven't sold anything Winnie the Pooh yet, but we have only like 1 or 2 pieces that are Pooh. So we're trying to build our collection of Disney stuff up, so we're known for that. That's probably gonna be listed for about $50 easily, just the design on it. This is a personal item that Keisha found. Like, this right here goes even harder than the Pooh sweater. 101 Dalmatians, 101, however you want to say it. It's your thing. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with nobody about how they say it. This says Disney's 101 Dalmatians, designed by Marissa Christina, New York. And she did a crazy job of designing this. This is ridiculous. Got the bones over here, got the little dog, you got paw prints over here, and then just the detailing. Got more bones over here on the sleeve. This is a collector's piece. Disney's over here like, Netflix and chill. Baby, pull up in that. I'm trying to Disney Plus and don't interrupt. Straight up. Next up, got some toys. These are actually Marley's right here. My daughter's gonna be starting her shop with toys. Whenever we get that up and running, this will be one of the first toys that she has. We found this at one of our local Goodwills. 1997 Barbie doll, Walmart special edition. It says Portrait in Blue Barbie. Got that melanin poppin', looking like a real queen right there. That was $7.99 is what we paid for it. It's probably like 20 something, 30 something dollars in the store. This is easy, probably worth like $50 right here. Paid $7.99 for it. This right here, I didn't know what this was worth until I walked away, and I'm so mad at myself because this was one of like 20 of these Johnny Lightning cars that was over there at the glass cases. When I walked into the store, Grateful Dead happened to be the only like name that I recognized, and I picked this up, walked away, started looking it up, doing research on it, realized these are listed on eBay right here for $100+. I think I might have saw one for like $115 or $150, something like that. I'll put the screenshot of it in the video. I went back over there to check and see if there was any more left. It was too late. It was way too late. Somebody was probably mad that I got this one, but this as well as the last toy will be part of Marley's shop. She's gonna be dealing with all the rare stuff that we find as far as toys wise. Marley will have her one-stop shop for little kids and toys, things of that nature, and you can get all the vintage clothes and 90s stuff from Jacq and Key. Details on Marley's shop will be coming soon. Now, I know I made y'all wait for this, and I promise not to disappoint. If anybody watching has history on this shirt, you know that it goes for $100+. I saw one listed on eBay for $250. None of the shirts that I saw that I found online were printed like this one. When I say that, I mean you got the Brooks and Dunn on the front right there, right? You got the electric rodeo, crazy electric, purple electric vibes on there, all over print. Crazy, right? But I think this shirt was a mistake. Why? Because you see how that's white? The shirt flips inside out, and it's got electric rodeo on gray on the opposite side with the tag right there. All Sport Pro weight, made in USA tag. The shirt single stitched. Like, it's a one-of-a-kind shirt. This shirt's easily $250, and it's not for sale no time soon. This is definitely a collector's piece right here, due to just what I just showed you. Like, that drives the value of something way up. When you've got a rare misprint like that, out of all the ones I've seen online, again, none of them have that. You got the front, back, then you got the hit on the inside. Crazy, 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 crazy. This is a personal piece. I actually got this right after I got this shirt. So I was picking through, picking, saw this shirt, and I didn't even know what the band was until I did a little research after I got home. But I knew it was worth a good amount of money because the print of it alone. I saw this, and I was like, that's really nice colors right there. Like, that's worth something. Picked it up, saw right here, 1988, business as usual. So I looked it up, found some going for 70, 80, upwards of $100, but I didn't find any of them that were black. So I saw some tie-dye ones, saw some raglans, but I didn't see any t-shirts that were just the solid black with this print on it. That makes this a little bit more valuable, probably about $100 is what I would value this at. Let me know if you would value it different below in the comments. This right here, I'm valuing this at easily $250. I wouldn't accept anything less for this shirt right here. And it's gonna be in the personal until an offer as such arises, and it might, at that point, might not even be a good enough offer depending on the age. So this was the find of the day right here, right after this, and I got off subject. This was, again, one of those situations where you gotta have an eye for this. You have to be focused and looking out for sleeves and things that pop out, because I was on, if you know how a thrift store set up, you got like, you might have a row right here and then a row right here of clothes right next to it. So I was picking through this row right here and I saw the shirt on that row and I saw a guy walking up. I wasn't about to waste no time. Pulled this move right here, pulled it over. Thank you. First come, first serve. So your boy came up on that. I don't even think he knew what this shirt was though, because it wasn't like I cut in front of him to get the shirt. He wasn't going to this specific shirt. I just saw him walking over there and I knew he was about to pick through that whole aisle right there, and I just happened to see the shirt before him. So finders keepers. Thanks for tuning in to this week's What Did I Find at the Thrift? We found some straight heat, found some Barbie dolls, Grateful Dead, Johnny Lightning, die-cast cars, Brooks and Dunn, Little Feet, just straight heat. I'm coming with this new content every week, so you need to go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe, share this content with somebody you know that might find it interesting and entertaining. I plan to be in this for a long time and continuing to show y'all the stuff that we find, and I look forward to growing this channel with you guys and building a community of people who enjoy thrifting, seeing thrift content, how I do things, day in the life, all of that kind of stuff. I'll do. Y'all just gotta let me know what y'all want to see from me. I'm doing this for you guys, helping out you as well as documenting my process so you can learn from me. It's nothing but love on my end. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and thank God it's a new day. Hey, let no man pull you as low as to hate him. Keys.